I've always had an inclination of trying to help people. Now, as a police officer, I help crime victims. As a trainer at the academy, I help police officers stay alive. So I've always had this kind of this wanting or this desire to help others. Because I had a family and I had a job as the SWAT team commander and a captain on the sheriff's office. I taught at the academy. I had part-time jobs and I had to pay our bills. I had an opportunity to go to law school, which seems like a logical place to go, post law enforcement. And so I got the opportunity to attend law school while I was a captain. And my department was kind enough to me. If I was on duty, for example, I would be able to actually go to law school while in police uniform, which was rather interesting. In medical school, you don't have that opportunity to go part-time. You just had no option. You basically gave your life away to med school for about 3 or 4 years, and I had to figure out a way to also, during that interim process, support my family. I just like to enforce law. So whether I did enforce laws with regard to being a police officer and putting bad guys in jail, now I feel like I'm a civil prosecutor. You contrast that with being a criminal prosecutor, which would be the person that takes these arrestees to trial and put them in prison. That didn't work out because it actually paid less than being a police officer. So there was no point in going to law school and going through all that time and money. So the closest thing I could find to becoming a criminal prosecutor was a civil prosecutor, which is commonly known as a plaintiff lawyer. So now a plaintiff lawyer is one who helps other people, that have injury issues and problems. It does provide satisfaction to me, because although in the law there's unfortunately no magic legal wand, if you will, that we can wave over the injured person to give them their life back, the only thing that we can do is to provide them money. So I think to me it's what does interest me in law is just to get the opportunity and pleasure oftentimes to help people that are profoundly injured.